Today, we had a big area of higher pressure sitting on top of us, which helped to suppress the afternoon thunderstorms. But as we head into tomorrow and over the next few days, this high will start to slide away. And with all the moisture returning to South Florida, we're going to see a better chance of those afternoon storms. Otherwise, this right here is Tropical Storm Chris. It became a tropical storm during the overnight hours. Right now, about 200 miles just off the coast of the Carolinas. And in fact, it's forecast to sit here for the next few days. And then finally, around Tuesday or Wednesday, it's going to start to make a push up towards the north as a Category 1 hurricane. Then it raises up towards Nova Scotia and over towards Newfoundland. And once it crashes into the cooler ocean waters of the North Atlantic, it will start to fizzle on out. In fact, by the time we get to Friday, it will downgrade to a remnant area of lower pressure. So there's Chris right there. And we have been tracking former tropical storm, former Hurricane Beryl. Now it's just a remnant area of lower pressure, basically an open wave. It has fallen apart, but we still have to watch this system. Over the next few days, whatever's left over will make a push towards Hispaniola and then start to race up well to our east. But as it makes its way across the Bahamas, it may become a tropical cyclone once again. So something that we'll have to watch. But again, it is going to stay well to the east of South Florida, so no issues there. So for tonight, we're at 77 degrees. We're partly cloudy. Can't rule out an isolated shower, but most of us are dry. Tomorrow, daytime high of 90 degrees, so it's hot and humid with scattered afternoon thunderstorms, about a 40% chance. If you are going boating, the seas are going to start to churn on up thanks to Tropical Storm Chris. Seas tomorrow anywhere from 2 to 5 feet. Inland waters, however, will have a light chop. And there's the extended forecast. Daytime highs 89 to 90 over the next couple of days. But notice rain chances really going up Monday and especially into Tuesday.